In this video, I will show how to attach documents in purchase requisition through DMS in SAP. Let's start with the T code CV01N. Don't have to give anything in document number, it will be blank. In document type, you have to select the relevant document type, which in our case here will be ZPR, which is for purchase requisition. After selecting the document type, click enter. You have to put the proper description. Skip this part by clicking enter. In description, the description already came, which I have entered in earlier tab. Then go to object link. In this particular tab, you have to select the purchase requisition and the line item on which you want to attach the document. I have created a sample purchase requisition for the demo purpose, which I am going to select here. And the line number, let's say line number 10. It will automatically show the description of the line item of that particular requisition. We can attach single document with multiple purchase requisition or with multiple line items of a single purchase requisition. Then we have to move to next tab, which is original. Here we have to attach the document which is relevant to this document. We'll click on create. In application, we have to select the extension of the file which we are going to upload. Here in this case, I am attaching a PDF. In description, we can put a description of the file we are attaching, like in original section, we have to browse and attach the file. We'll click F4 or click on this section. We'll browse and select the file which we want to attach. I'm attaching the image. Click on open. We have to give permission. We have to click on allow. Then we have to click on continue. We have to again give the permission. And here we can see the document has been attached. As of now, the document is not yet saved, so we have to save this document. We have to click on save. Then system will ask me under which folder we are going to save our document. In case of purchase requisition, we have to select ZDMS_MM because purchase requisition is a part of MM. Then we'll click on continue. We have to give the permission. And once it is uploaded, the new document number will be generated. Here you can see document number ZPR starting with 11 and ending with 3 has been created. Now we will go and have a look under the PR section. We'll open the purchase requisition through ME53N. We will open the purchase requisition in which we have attached the document. This was the sample purchase requisition, and I have attached the document under line number 10. So I have to click on line number 10, and here you can see the section of documents will be there. I have to click on this particular icon. You can see there are two documents attached here. The second one which I have attached right now, earlier one we have tested earlier. So suppose I want to see this particular document which I have attached, document number 11, number 3. We have to select this particular line and we have to click on this display originals icon, and then it will open the document which I have attached here. You have to give the permission. You can see this was the document which we have attached earlier, right? So this is it. This is the way to attach the document in DMS SAP for purchase requisition. Thank you.